Hi guys, welcome back to my beauty vlog. Today I cut a curtain bangs for myself. Let me show you how to do it. And if you are wondering why my hair is green, it's by accident. It's supposed to be toned my hair, but it gives me blue greenish streak in random places. Whatever. Today's not about hair color, but about cutting bangs. Here, some of my inspiration. It's all over the internet, and I'm hooked. First, I brush my hair so there's no tangle on it. And here, I'm pointing at the camera parts of my hair that I want to turn into bangs. I want a chunk, not just a fringe of hair, so I part this a little bit thicker. As you can see, I use my ears to be the point to part my hair, just right behind my ears. Here, my hair is not even yet, so I take more of them to make it even. I tie my hair so it's easier to see the scalp as guide to parting these bangs. And if you think this is the time to cut, not yet. Let's part this hair in 3 sections. Part of the middle first, and if it's already even, I use the point of my brows as the guide to part my hair in 3 sections, as you can see here. And if it's done, secure them with hair clips. Now is the time to twist your middle part, but don't pull it hard, and give it a cut. See if it's already the length that you desire. But I think I'm gonna cut a little bit shorter. Do the twist slowly and gently. Don't pull it hard. I make a cut just right on the middle of my nose. Like so. Now, let's give the sides a cut like this. So it's going to blend in with the middle parts and gives your face a nice frame. A nice bangs. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Here I'm kinda struggling on cutting the right part area. But I managed to get it done. Lastly, I cut my middle parts like this, so it has a layer on the end so my bangs is not that chunky. Let's touch up on the side bangs. And we're done! Who would have known cutting bangs is kinda exhausting? You can see, my hair is very straight. I thought if I have a curtain bangs, it'll give me some volume to my hair and a nice frame and a kind of vintage vibe and look, so I give it a go. Now, let's give these bangs a blow. And what do you think about these curtain bangs? Also, I want you guys to check out on Little Princess Trust Instagram. If you can make a hair donation every time you cut your hair to the kids that needs it, it would be awesome. Until then, see you later. Bye.